Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 3.0 EcoBoost engine is a twin-turbocharged V6 petrol engine, part of Ford's Nano engine family, which also includes the 2.7L EcoBoost. It's designed for higher performance applications within Ford's and Lincoln's lineup, such as the Ford Explorer ST, Lincoln Aviator, and Lincoln Continental. Review and opinions. The 3.0 EcoBoost is consistently lauded for its exceptionally strong performance. With significant horsepower and torque figures, it transforms the vehicles it powers into true performers, offering brisk acceleration and confident passing power. Reviewers often highlight its smoothness and refinement, providing a premium driving experience. The power delivery is linear thanks to the twin-turbo setup with minimal lag. It's generally seen as a high-output, premium engine. However, its premium nature often comes with a trade-off in real-world fuel economy compared to its smaller siblings, and it has also had some specific reliability concerns, albeit less widespread than some earlier EcoBoost generations. Advantages: outstanding performance, delivers substantial horsepower, often 400-plus HP, and torque, making vehicles like the Explorer ST surprisingly quick and capable. High torque, excellent low-end and mid-range torque, ensuring strong acceleration and effortless towing capabilities for its size. Refinement. The V6 configuration naturally provides smooth and balanced operation, contributing to a comfortable driving experience. Durable construction utilizes a compacted graphite iron (CGI) block, similar to robust diesel engines, for enhanced strength and durability. Twin turbocharging provides responsive power delivery and minimizes turbo lag. Advanced features often includes technologies like port fuel injection, PFI, in addition to direct injection, DI, to help mitigate carbon buildup, PFDI system. Disadvantages and faults. While a strong performer, the 3.0 EcoBoost has encountered some issues. Fractured intake valves. This is the most significant known fault. A recall was issued for certain 2.7L and 3.0L EcoBoost engines, primarily 2021 to 2022 models, due to intake valves manufactured with a specific alloy, silchromite, that could crack when excessively hot. This can lead to engine misfires, power loss, excessive oil consumption, and in severe cases, catastrophic engine failure. Ford's fix involves inspecting and replacing affected components. Oil pan leaks. Similar to the 2.7 EcoBoost, the 3.0L can be prone to oil leaks from its two-piece composite oil pan, often requiring significant labor to repair. Carbon buildup. Earlier dye-only versions, while many 3.0L EcoBoost engines feature PFDI, port fuel direct injection, to wash intake valves and reduce carbon buildup. Earlier direct injection-only versions could still be susceptible. Fuel consumption. Despite the EcoBoost name, the high power output means real-world fuel economy can be significantly lower than smaller engines, especially under spirited driving. Complexity and repair cost. As a twin-turbo V6, it is more complex than naturally aspirated engines or smaller turbocharged 4s, which can translate to higher repair and maintenance costs when issues arise. Breakdowns, common causes. Catastrophic engine failure. The most severe breakdowns are linked to the fractured intake valve issue, which can lead to significant internal engine damage if not addressed. Misfires and power loss. Often symptoms of the intake valve issue, or less commonly, spark plug/ignition coil problems. Oil leaks. While typically not causing a complete breakdown, significant oil leaks can lead to low oil levels if not monitored, potentially causing engine wear. Crucial advice. If purchasing a used vehicle with a 3.0 EcoBoost, especially 2021 to 2022 models, verify that any recalls related to the intake valves have been performed. Regular and proper maintenance is also key. Fuel consumption. Official EPA fuel consumption figures for the 3.0 EcoBoost vary by vehicle. For instance, in a Ford Explorer ST, it might be rated around 18 mpg city/24 to 25 mpg highway, mpg combined, US. Real-world fuel consumption can often be lower than official figures, particularly given the engine's performance capabilities. Drivers who frequently accelerate hard or engage in aggressive driving will see significantly reduced mileage. Owners often report averages in the 16 to 22 mpg US range depending on driving style, vehicle type, and road conditions. Timing. The Ford 3.0 Ecoboost engine utilizes a timing chain system to drive its camshafts. Timing chains are designed for the life of the engine and typically do not have a prescribed replacement interval like timing belts. This generally makes them a low-maintenance item. However, like any timing chain system, issues can arise over very high mileage, e.g., chain stretch, tensioner failure, which might manifest as rattling noises. Proper and frequent oil changes with the correct oil type are crucial for the longevity of the timing chain and its components. Oil. The 3.0 Ecoboost engine requires specific oil to handle the demands of twin turbocharging and direct injection. It typically specifies a 5W30 fully synthetic engine oil that meets stringent Ford specifications, such as 4WSS, M2C946, A, WSS, M2C946, B1, or WSS, M2C961, A1. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise specification. Oil capacity is generally around 6.0 US quarts, 5.7 liters, with a filter change. Adhering strictly to Ford's recommended oil change intervals, usually 7,500 to 10,000 miles or annually, whichever comes first, or more frequently for severe duty. Using the specified oil is paramount for the engine's long-term health, protecting the turbochargers, timing chain, and managing carbon buildup. Versions. The 3.0 Ecoboost V6 has primarily been offered in high-output versions. 400 PS, 395 horsepower, /415 lb-ft torque. Common in the Ford Explorer ST, Lincoln Aviator, non-hybrid, and Lincoln Continental. 494 PS, 488 horsepower, /630 lb-ft torque. This is the much higher output hybrid version found in the Lincoln Aviator Grand Touring and Ford Explorer Platinum Hybrid. This integrates electric motors for significantly increased power and torque. Newer versions often feature the port fuel direct injection (PFDI) system, which combines both port and direct injection to optimize fuel delivery and help keep intake valves cleaner. History. The 3.0 Ecoboost V6, part of the Nano engine family, was introduced by Ford around 2016 to 2017. It was developed as a more powerful complement to the 2.7L Ecoboost, targeting premium and performance-oriented vehicles. Its debut applications included the Lincoln Continental and Lincoln MKZ, later Aviator. A significant issue that emerged later was related to fractured intake valves, affecting some 2021 to 2022 models. This led to a recall by Ford to address the manufacturing defect. Despite this, the 3.0 Ecoboost generally maintains a reputation for being a powerful and refined engine, especially in its later iterations with PFDI and other design refinements. It continues to be a cornerstone of Ford's and Lincoln's higher performance utility vehicle offerings. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.